This is the final video to solve Alienware BSOD blue screen crashes after installing new RAM. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve these Alienware system instability issues, and I am going to share them with you. The first crucial step is to reset your RAM modules. Often, a blue screen crash immediately after new RAM installation is due to a simple physical connection problem. A loose stick or dust in the slot can interrupt the critical data pathways between the RAM and the CPU, leading to memory allocation errors that trigger a BSOD. Resetting ensures a firm, clean electrical connection, allowing the system to properly detect and utilize the memory. Next, you must update your BIOS or UEFI firmware. Newer RAM modules frequently introduce advancements in memory technology, and older BIOS versions on your Alienware system might lack the necessary microcode or compatibility patches to interact correctly with them. An outdated BIOS can misinterpret RAM timings or voltage requirements, resulting in system instability and unpredictable crashes. An update provides the essential firmware bridge for seamless integration. Thirdly, consider adjusting or disabling the RAM's XMP or DOCP profiles within your BIOS settings. While these profiles are designed to optimize memory performance, sometimes the automatic overclocking they apply can be unstable with your specific Alienware motherboard and processor combination. If the system struggles to maintain the XMP's aggressive timings, it will generate memory errors that manifest as blue screens. Setting the RAM to its default JED key speeds or manually configuring more conservative timings can significantly improve stability. Finally, it's vital to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Even brand new RAM can occasionally be faulty. This utility performs a comprehensive check on your memory modules, identifying physical defects, bad sectors, or corrupted chips that would otherwise cause intermittent data corruption and system crashes. Pinpointing a truly defective RAM stick allows you to replace it, ensuring hardware integrity and a stable computing experience.